Have you ever wondered why do we actually need wood furniture and how to choose the best furniture for our needs? Wood furniture has been a staple in homes for centuries, and its enduring popularity speaks volumes about its inherent value. The reasons why we need wood furniture extend beyond mere aesthetics. They encompass functionality, durability, and a connection to nature. In a world increasingly dominated by mass-produced items, the significance of choosing quality wood furniture becomes even more pronounced. One of the primary reasons we need wood furniture is its remarkable durability. Wood is a robust material that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. Unlike synthetic materials that may degrade or warp over time, well-crafted wooden furniture can last for generations when properly cared for. This longevity not only makes wood a wise investment, but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. By choosing durable furniture, individuals reduce the need for constant replacements, which in turn lessens waste and environmental impact. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern wood furniture and decor pieces ideas you can consider adding to your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to durability, wood furniture also offers a unique warmth and character that synthetic materials often lack. The natural grain patterns, colors, and textures of wood create an inviting atmosphere that enhances any living space. Wood has the ability to bring a sense of comfort and familiarity into a home, fostering an environment that feels both relaxing and welcoming. This emotional connection to wood furniture can make a house feel like a true home, where individuals can create lasting memories. Another compelling reason to embrace wood furniture is its versatility. Wood can be crafted into a vast array of styles, shapes, and finishes, allowing it to complement any decor theme. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse aesthetic, a sleek modern look, or a timeless classic design, there is wooden furniture available to suit your needs. This adaptability makes wood an ideal choice for homeowners who wish to customize their spaces to reflect their personal tastes and lifestyles. Furthermore, wood furniture often embodies craftsmanship and artistry. Many artisans take great pride in creating handcrafted pieces that showcase their skills and attention to detail. This dedication to quality can result in furniture that not only serves a functional purpose, but also acts as a work of art. By investing in handcrafted wood furniture, individuals support local artisans and contribute to the preservation of traditional craftsmanship. This connection to the maker adds an additional layer of meaning to the furniture, as each piece carries a story and a sense of individuality. When it comes to choosing the best wood furniture, several factors should be considered to ensure that your investment pays off in the long run. Understanding the characteristics of different wood types is essential, as each variety offers unique benefits and challenges. Hardwoods, such as oak, maple, and walnut, are known for their strength and resistance to wear, making them ideal for high-traffic areas. Softer woods, like pine or cedar, may be more susceptible to dents and scratches, but can offer a charming, rustic aesthetic. By selecting the right type of wood for specific applications, homeowners can enhance both the functionality and longevity of their furniture. Another critical aspect to consider is the construction quality of the furniture. Well-made wood furniture should feature solid joints and sturdy construction methods, ensuring that it can withstand everyday use. Look for pieces that use techniques such as dovetail joints or mortise and tenon construction, which indicate a higher level of craftsmanship. Avoid furniture that relies solely on glue or nails for assembly, as these methods may compromise durability over time. Investing in quality construction not only ensures that the furniture will last, but also enhances its overall aesthetic appeal. Finishes and treatments also play a crucial role in the longevity of wood furniture. A quality finish can protect the wood from moisture, stains, and scratches while enhancing its natural beauty. When selecting furniture, consider pieces that have been treated with durable finishes, such as polyurethane or oil-based varnishes, which can provide a protective barrier against wear. Additionally, be mindful of the maintenance requirements associated with different finishes, as some may necessitate regular upkeep to maintain their appearance. The style of the furniture should also align with your personal preferences and the overall design of your home. Consider how the piece will fit into your existing decor and whether it complements or contrasts with other elements in the space. Wood furniture can serve as a focal point or a subtle accent, depending on its design. When choosing furniture, envision how it will enhance the overall ambience of your home and contribute to the desired atmosphere. Budget is another important consideration when selecting wood furniture. While high-quality pieces may come with a higher price tag, they often represent a better long-term investment. Cheaper alternatives may save money up front, but can lead to increased costs over time due to replacements or repairs. It is essential to strike a balance between quality and affordability, ensuring that you choose furniture that meets your needs without compromising on craftsmanship. Sustainability is becoming an increasingly significant factor in purchasing decisions. Many consumers are now seeking furniture made from responsibly sourced wood or reclaimed materials. By choosing sustainable options, individuals can contribute to environmental conservation while supporting ethical practices in the furniture industry. Look for certifications such as the Forest Stewardship Council (FSC) label, which indicates that the wood has been harvested sustainably. This commitment to sustainability not only benefits the planet, but also adds value to the furniture, as eco-friendly choices are often more appealing to modern consumers. Additionally, consider the functionality of the furniture in relation to your lifestyle. Assess your specific needs and how the furniture will be used in your daily life. For instance, if you have children or pets, durability and ease of maintenance should be high priorities. Furniture that can withstand rough handling and is easy to clean will serve you better in the long run. On the other hand, if you're looking for pieces that enhance a more formal setting, you may prioritize aesthetics over ruggedness. Understanding how you plan to use the furniture can guide your selection process and ensure that it meets your expectations. Lastly, engaging with the furniture shopping experience can enhance your understanding of wood furniture and help you make informed choices. Take the time to visit local showrooms or craft fairs where you can see and feel the furniture in person. This hands-on experience allows you to assess the quality, comfort, and aesthetics of each piece. Speaking with knowledgeable staff or artisans can provide valuable insights into the materials, construction methods, and care requirements associated with the furniture. This engagement not only enriches the shopping experience, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship involved. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern wood furniture and decor pieces ideas you can consider adding to your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.